Hey, good afternoon everyone. This is kiodiekin and welcome back to the channel. And in today's unboxing and review, we are going to take a look at the Hyperx Quadcast S standalone USB microphone receiver. Now I picked this up about a month ago on Amazon Prime Day and I think it retailed for about $107. And yeah, I'm just now getting around to it and opening this up. I figured it'd be a good time since I've been spending more time in my game room doing some unboxing and doing some other recordings. Now, a few good features about this microphone is it has a customizable RGB lighting, anti-vibration shock mount, tap to mute sensor, and once you press on the tap to mute, it actually shuts off the RGB sensor, so you have a good indication to know when the microphone has been shut off. It also comes with a shock mount and it has a stand for ease of use and flexibility. And also it has a gain control adjustment which can be located at the bottom, and it has included an adapter and internal pop filter. Now another good thing about this microphone is it also has 4 different polar patterns: stereo, omnidirectional, cardioid, and bidirectional. Now I have to tell you, I've been using a Scarlett Solo with a high quality studio microphone for the past several years, and I was really skeptical if a standard USB type microphone could do the job that I needed it to do. I know there's been a lot of talks and things of that nature in regards to this microphone. I've seen a lot of advertisement by Hyperx, and if you guys didn't know, they do have an esports arena located in Luxor in Las Vegas. Yes, that is the same company, but in regards to this microphone, it is high quality, and so far I have been impressed with the audio sound. I've been playing around with it with the different polo patterns, and I haven't had any issues with it. I mean, it sounds deep and rich and really crisp when recording. You have a nice little bracket here that shows you that's easy to adjust. And it comes with some additional enhancements if you want to get an arm to extend on your desk, so that way you can have it closer to your mouth when trying to speak. And again, it only came with a USB or high quality USB-C type cable adapter. Now in the box you do have some additional information regarding the Hyperx microphone as well as an instruction manual. However, there wasn't a lot of information regarding if you needed to download software that I could see. However, I will cover that in another. Now located here on the back of the microphone, you have your 4 omnidirectional settings. You have stereo, omnidirectional, cardioid, and bidirectional. Now I definitely would suggest that you keep it on the setting that you really need to. Now I have to let you guys know this microphone is very sensitive, so if you plan on gaming or typing while you're trying to play a game, I've seen some comments online that, you know, they're all positive as far as this microphone. However, it is very sensitive to clicks, so if you are planning on typing on your computer or doing some other things, maybe while speaking, I wouldn't suggest really doing that because it is pretty good on the sound. In fact, I had to turn off my fan while I was recording this video because it does pick it up quite well, regardless of what setting that you do have it on. Now as you can see, this is a really sturdy microphone. It's not going to tilt over, knock over really easy. It's really balanced. Okay, so let's go ahead and get this microphone set up on the PC, and I'll give you guys a brief audio test from all the different polar directional settings here on the microphone. Alright, testing 1 2 3. This is kiodiekin. I do have my overhead ceiling fan on, so there may be a little wind coming through, but right now I'm about 1.5 feet away from the microphone. The audio volume is pretty much up high. It's not as high as it can go, but the arrow is on the biggest circle on the Hyperx Quadcast S microphone. And so we are on stereo. I'm moving a little bit left to the right just so you guys have a better idea about how my voice sounds right now. And so I'm now going to reach behind the mic and I am going to turn it on to its next setting, which is now going to be the omnidirectional. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright, so now I'm going to move the microphone around in a full circle. Testing 1 2 3. Still staying the same distance. Testing 1 2 3. I am now facing the back of the microphone, omnidirectional. Testing 1 2 3. Test test test. This is kiodiekin. Checking, mic check. Now let's go ahead and move on over to Cardioid. All right, testing 1, 2, 3. This is kiodiekin. You should have some hollowness in the sound because I am behind it. So I am now moving it to the front so you can see it. And so hopefully, I'm actually really impressed with this microphone as I am on the Cardioid section or setting, which is pretty much really good for live streaming and audio broadcasting if it's just one person, and also if you are playing music. Sounds really good, and so far I am impressed with the sound and feedback as it plays back through my soundbar with deep richness in the vocals. I'm really happy about it. In fact, on my other computer setup, I use a $160 microphone. I think it's like an Hyperx high professional studio microphone, really good. I use a Scarlett Solo for that, so it's pretty nice and comparable, especially for actually I got this for like $107 on Amazon. All right, so let's go over here to the last section now. We're going to go to bidirectional. So I am going to move this microphone in a complete circle so you guys can hear my audio come through very accurately and very clearly with this. Testing 1, 2, 3. I am now on the omnidirectional setting right now. Sounds pretty good. I'm sorry, bidirectional section right now. So I'm on the back of the microphone. I'm on the back. We are on the back of the microphone right now. Now moving it to the side. So I am on the left side of the microphone. I am now moving it to the right side of the microphone. Same distance. I haven't adjusted the volume or done anything whatsoever. And so let's move it back to the front. And so it is now facing me, same distance, about 1.5 feet away from me, and the audio should be coming through pretty good. I hope you all have enjoyed this tutorial and review of the Hyperx microphone. I really love it compared to the other microphone. I mean, it is high quality for what you're getting. I honestly should have got this really sooner, but I was really skeptical about it. But do me a favor, like and subscribe. I definitely appreciate all of my Patreons and new subscribers. And make sure you hit the notification icon or a notification bell. I do have several more videos for this microphone, including the install tutorial to get the RGB lights going. I thought it would be best if I go ahead and separate it that way. And one of the other things that I did forget to mention, I think I do cover it a little bit more in the RGB video that I'm releasing in the next few days, is the software for this. So this does have software when you can also check and also go between the different polar channels. It's really minor. You don't really need it. In fact, you could just, of course, adjust everything here on the hardware. But this is kiodiekin. Like and subscribe again, and I will catch you guys later. Peace and have a great afternoon. Bye-bye.